We had the tutorial on how to make these wire earrings with pearl. And today we are going to make a pendant, a wire pendant with pearl that is a good set to these earrings. That is the very simple yet beautiful design, and you could use it with these earrings and enjoy it. What is the map and what we are going to make? Well, we need a pen, pencil, and a paper, and then draw the design. As you can see, we have a circle with an oval shape in between, and a pearl or bead is at the center. Now, we need a 1 mm thick wire for the main frame and 1/2 millimeter in thick wire for the weaving parts, and also a pearl or bead or even a stone for that central part. So let's pick up 1 mm thick wire at first, and then a mandrel or any other cylindrical shapes to wrap the wire all around. I'm going to wrap it all around the place that the diameter of the circle is about 3 centimeters. I do that one round, and then this is the very beautiful circle. And now I'm going to keep it tight, and then with the other hand I'm going to form the wire to make it like an oval shape. All I need to do is to keep the main frame with one hand and to push the other side with my other hand, of course, and to move the wire strand all around to have an oval shape. And if needed, you could squeeze it with your fingers to get a beautiful shape. And at this place, I need to make a 90-degree bend at the above. So I'm going to use my tool, round nose pliers, to make that 90-degree bend, just like this. And I'm going to make a bail at the top. So I put my round nose pliers and then wrap the wire all around. This is the first time and first wrap, and I'm going to continue that for the second row. At the end, I need to cut the wire out, so with flush cutter or wire cutter, I'm going to cut this wire out, and that may cause a distortion in the form of that loop, of course, when I'm doing this, and I will refine and edit the form with my round nose pliers. And now I need to close this shape because the starting point is opened, and with my round nose pliers I would make a very little U shape and then attach that to the main frame, and that embraces the oval shape, the very little U shape, and then I'm going to squeeze it with chain nose pliers. So I'm going to push it, and I would have a very little tie at that point. Maybe I need to move the shape and the wire so that I will get to a symmetrical shape and a beautiful one. And that is the main frame. Now I'm going to add the pearl in between. As you know, you could use bead or stone instead. And to attach this pearl to the main frame, I need a thinner wire of about 0.5 millimeter thick, and I'm going to put it behind the oval shape and then make a U letter just here, and then to squeeze it to get a tie. The first tie is made. Then I'm going to continue wrapping the thinner wire all around the main frame for at least 3 or 4 times to get a delicate yet strong part and wire coiling. Alright, at the end, don't forget to squeeze the end of this thinner strand and to cut it in about 2 or 3 centimeters out of the frame. And now I'm going to insert the pearl in. It's going to be put somewhere like this, and I'm going to make the other wire coiling part at the other side. So I pick up my round nose pliers and make another wire coiling at right. I'm going to insert it and then squeeze it with my round nose pliers. I'm using my round nose pliers to pull and squeeze and to wrap the wire all around the main frame, and I'm going to do that as the same we did for the first side. And that's almost ready. Our very beautiful wire pendant with pearl. But now we need to add a chain or a cord. And I'm using a leather cord, and I'm going to insert it into the bail at the top of this wire pendant, and that would be the very beautiful piece. And I hope you make one and enjoy it so much. How did you find this tutorial? Please leave a comment for me. That is so motivational and I love it so much. Take care. Bye bye.